Kaaterskill Waterfalls, but this is the trail and we will go to the waterfalls now. And the trail is very long, so we have to keep waiting and walking through.
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day.
So guys, we are currently in New York City and we will explore it too. And this is very close to Albany, which is the capital of New York City. And we went, we're also close to Connecticut, which is very near. It's in the New York State, not New York City.
Fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
So guys, now we are heading upward and going to see the falls. So guys, we are going upward and now we are going to see the falls. Come on, it'll be so fun. I'm going to like stop over here and like jumping.
You see, I'm so smart. Let's go.
After a really steep and a really treacherous climb of the trail, which was very steep, we're finally Hi guys. All that. Hi guys. We are going in the waterfall. But the waterfall is with us. It's coming.
Happy, 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 happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy.
So we are done the waterfall and we are climbing up. Then we're going so slow because like in the waterfall my shoe was wet. Then I wear my shoe, I push my toe, then I go so slow because and can I tell you why do I go so slow? Because it's so cold and hot. ये कैसे